आज आप मुझसे मिल रहे हैं। मेरा नाम अर्चना वर्मा है। आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली इंदिरा एनक्लेव नांगलोई। यहीं पे मैंने अपनी सारी स्टडीज़ करी है एंड अभी भी कर रही हूँ। I got to know about FEA from my sister as she was learning there, and she told me that Arshu, you should also join that.
I have seen in Archana that she is lacking in her confidence and she has some hesitation. So I encourage my sister that you must join FEA.
And after joining FEA, I realized that she was correct. When you enter in the FEA, so it gives you the positive vibes that enhance all the energy of you, that yes, you can do everything and you can go for it.
Archana was a fantastic student. When she came to me first time for regarding admission, so I asked multiple questions, and even I asked her how would you manage your time, because you're also doing job as well as you're doing CA. But she managed her time quite well. I was highly impressed the way she used to participate in the class, and she was inspiration for other students in that session.
As I am working in a CA firm, so I handle their IT returns also. We have a group of corner teachers. In India, they are doing their job and they all are just unable to understand the Hindi.
Hello, it's me Archana Verma from CA Pita Sharma and Company.
I took entire files and entire clients and I handled them in a very smooth way, and I communicate with them so easily. FEA also helped me to do that work.
And here I have got your balance sheet also.
My family and my parents are very supportive for me and they are helping me everywhere.
सीए बनेंगे तो क्लाइंट्स हर तरह के होंगे। तो क्लाइंट्स तो सारे हाई फाई ही मिलेंगे, उनको हाई प्रोफाइल ही मिलेंगे, बड़े बड़ी कंपनी मिलेगी, बड़े बड़े मैनेजर मिलेंगे उच्च कोटि के। तो बात अब इंग्लिश नहीं होगा तो हैंडल कम कर पाए, पर्सनालिटी नहीं बनती। इंग्लिश आज के डेट में एक इंसान को पर्सनालिटी भी बनाने का वो है, जिससे कहीं पे खड़ा होकर बंदा चार बात बोलता है तो अच्छा माना जाता है कहने का मतलब। इसलिए हमने सभी बच्चों को FEA जो है ज्वाइन करवाया।
She has developed her speaking communication skills also, which is very helpful for her future also.
You are going to do great things. The great things are about to come to you.
Most young people from low-income backgrounds receive a poor quality education. This makes it difficult for them to break out from the cycle of poverty. FEA works with youth in the 15 to 27-year age group, a critical time in a person's life. FEA empowers these youth, building and helping realize their aspirations. The program is completely free for the students. It develops English language and personal skills like drive, determination, and self-confidence. To execute its mission, FEA invests heavily in its staff training. Researchers from Stanford, ISB, and other global universities are studying its impact. FEA is incredibly cost-effective given that many FEA graduates more than double their income. It costs only $25 or 1,900 rupees per month to change the trajectory of a disadvantaged youth's life. We invite you to join us as donors, mentors, and ambassadors.